Good day, students. Today we are going to learn about the continuation of previous part, that is finding the actual difference, where we have to estimate as well as determine the actual difference of the examples. Estimation is rounding up, or where we predict a particular difference or answer. So here, let us learn how to find the estimated difference for the numbers that are to be rounded up to nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So at the end of the session, you will be able to estimate the difference to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000. So let's start with some examples. As you can see here, the example, that is you have to estimate the difference to the nearest 10 and find as well the actual difference. So the first task, the number as it is assigned, a 5-digit number, 45,023 minus 36,125. So first you will round up to the nearest 10 for each of them. So 45,023, as you can see 23, 3 is in the units place which is less than 5. So the number in the tens place remains the same. So 45,020. Whereas in the case of second, 36,125 rounded up to nearest 10, it would be 36,130. Now we have to find the estimated difference. So we subtract 45,020 minus 36,130. So as we can see here, the subtraction we can directly subtract mentally. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have 2 minus 3 not possible, so I have to borrow from 4. So borrowing from 4, it would be, we will write here as 12 minus 3 as 9. And we have here 10, which was, but it was already borrowed, so 9 minus 1 would be 8. And we have here the digit, that is 5 minus 6 not possible, so we have to borrow. Already I had borrowed from it, so this would be 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. So we have 8,890 as the difference, that is the estimated difference. In case of actual difference, we would actually subtract, that is 45,023 minus 36,125. So subtracting this, we can arrange it in the tabular form or subtracting, or we can check this only, as we can see 3 minus 5, not possible. So we have to borrow 13 minus 5, that comes 8. We have 2, 1 minus 2 not possible, again borrowed, that is 11 minus 2, that is 9. Again 9 minus 1 is 8. And we have here 14 minus 6, that is 8 again. So we have 8,898. You could see there is slight similarity, that is the actual difference and estimated difference. In a similar way, let's move ahead to find the difference to nearest 100. 64,289. It would to be rounded up to nearest 100 first. So it would be 64,300. 23,000, and we have 700. As 8 is greater. So subtracting them, we have 64,300 minus 23,700. It results to the difference as 40,600. Let's try for finding the actual difference. That is 64,289 minus 23,687. So when we subtract this, either we can try it out mental math format in order to get the correct answer, or you may perform the actual subtraction and check. It comes around 40,600, and again you can see slight similarity in the answers. They are right away estimated, that is nearest. Finally, let's try for the thousands. 3,254 minus 1,278 to be estimated to nearest 100,000 and also find the actual difference. So it would be 3,254 to nearest 1,000 is 3,000. 1,278 is again 1,000. So that becomes quite easy as it is a one-digit subtraction, keeping the other all digits similar. So we have estimated difference as 3,000 minus 1,000. That results to 2,000. Whereas the actual difference, 3,254 minus 1,278, it results to 1,976. It's too close. So in this way, we have learned in today's class how to find the estimated difference and also the actual difference, how they are interlinked with each other. So this will enable us in every ways to find the actual difference and also actual sum wherein corrected with the estimated value. You will see these applications used whenever you have some transactions. Maybe if you have to go for shopping and buy some things, we definitely do not go with the actual amount with us. We go with the estimated or on an average or predicted amount that we may spend on shopping. So in this way, this would be very helpful for us to know how estimated sum and difference will result to the balance that is left. So with this, I would like to conclude. Thank you and have a nice day.